So guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be installing some other themes in our website. So you see theme as an already built website or a website template that you can install into your website, your WordPress website, that is you're just going to customize to become your website. So a theme is an already built website. You're just going to import it into your website and then customize it. It becomes your website. You don't have to start building from scratch. And in this video, we're going to be using the Astra theme to build and customize our website. So to install the Astra theme, just head on to the appearance, click on appearance, you can see theme. It brings you here. These are the already installed theme in your website, as you can see, but we need to add a new theme called Astra. You click on add new theme. Then here you're just going to come here. There are so many themes here available for you to use. You can scroll through to see which one you want to use, but here we're going to be using Astra. Here is the Astra theme. I'm just going to click on install. Then next, I'm going to hit on activate. So next, you're going to see here that says, let's get started with starter templates. Click on it. Let's get started. So next is going to bring you here. So it says, how would you like to build your website? So it is going to help you build your website. You want to use AI. So we are going to use this classic starter. Click on this one with templates. So here it's going to ask you to select the page builder. These are different page builders that you can use to build your website. You can either use the block editor, Elementor, or Beaver builder. These are wonderful builders, but here we're going to be using the Elementor, which we already installed. So I'm just going to click on Elementor. So maybe later, and it's going to bring us to all of these themes that are available for you to use. You can just scroll through and choose the ones you want. Here they have a lot of themes, paid ones and unpaid ones. All the paid themes are written premiums on them, and you can choose any one of your choice. But here you can select whatever kind of business you're building your website for. They are all here. If it is for business, you can select which of the business, for a hotel, for construction, for estate, transportation, all of them. If you're building for a local business, you can see the list. If you're building for a salon, for a beauty shop, for fitness, for professionals, accounting, law, coach, medical, all of them. But here we are interested in building an e-commerce website, so you just choose e-commerce. Right here, you have a lot of e-commerce website that you can select from. So you just scroll through and select the one you want. So you can scroll through all of these things and choose whichever one you want, whether the free ones or the paid ones. But in this video, I'm just going to be using this very one that I like on my own website. So for me, I'm just going to be choosing this one called the custom printing. I'm going to click on it. So here you can start customizing this theme already to become your own website. So right here, you can see where you can customize it. It says if you have this is the logo of the website. So if you have your own logo, you can upload it. And remember, we built a logo. So I'm just going to click here. I'm going to click on select file. Then I'm going to go to my download. This is that logo we designed. Then I'm going to upload it here. Then I'm going to click on select. As you can see, that logo has appeared here. I can increase the size of the logo and also reduce it. So but let me go back to Canva. This is the logo. So I'm just going to download only the logo and not the entire space. So I'm just going to click on this, say download selection. So I'm just going to be downloading only this one. Then I'm going to click on download. The logo has been downloaded. I'll come back to my Astra. I'll come back here and click on change. So I'm going to click on upload file, come back here. Then this is the one I just downloaded. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click on select. As you can see, it is now bigger and better. I can increase the size, I can reduce the size. So if you want to change the font of your website, you can change this font, but I think I like this font. I'll leave it at this font. If you also want to change the color of your website, then maybe you have a brand, your brand has a particular color. As you can see, our logo color this is like orange, I think yellow. We can just select this one and it will change every button there to that color. And this is looking better. So I'll leave this one, then click on continue. Next, they want you to select the features you want your website to have Of course, it is these ones are selected by default. It's to design pages and design e-commerce website. So they are going to put all the e-commerce features like checkout, add to cart, shop now button, all of that is going to be included. Automation and integration. No, we don't want that. Video playing, showcase your video on your website. Maybe okay. They just want to see how you want them to build your website, so we can add video. Sales funnel, boost your sales and maximize your profit. Donation, we don't want that. Contact form is already there. Free chat, live chat, we can also add that. Then we can just so we don't want to use this video because we can add this with Elementor, and you can add a new section, video section with Elementor. So all these are what we need. I'm just going to click on continue. Then this is the last step. It is just going to ask you to tell them about yourself. So here you want to put your first name. Then here you're going to put your work email. Then here you're going to put your experience level with WordPress intermediate. Then here you're going to build. I am building this website for my company, for myself, for my client, for myself. So here you can share non-sensitive data. If you don't want to share non-sensitive data, you can turn this off. It's okay, but I'll just leave it on for myself. Then here you need to agree to their terms and conditions. Then you click on start building my website. So wait while we build your website. So you're just going to wait for a while they set up all the things you've selected. They will add all the plugins, they will add all the forms, they will add all those images, the themes, the WooCommerce features, all of them will be included in your website. And then you're just going to have a completely built website, a standard e-commerce website in few minutes. Let's wait and see what this will turn out to.
A few moments later.
Guys, your website is ready and it took about 45 seconds to build. To build a complete website, about 45 seconds, about 43 seconds. This is amazing. So let's visit our website and see how it looks like. Voila, guys. This is looking good. This is looking good. This is basically how your website is going to look. So all of these things are not our own, but we can customize all of them and change them to our own. All right. So as you can see, we've already changed our logo. Then we can change all of these things, change this picture to our product, change these images to our text, change all of this to our own, and then change all this product to our own product by adding product to our website. This is amazing, guys. This is great. So we have our homepage built. Someone that visits our website, as you can see, your website, like someone that types your website, is going to land on this homepage, and then, of course, be able to see all the products you have on your website. Now we are going to start building our website. Though for your e-commerce, this may not be, you may not need to use this homepage, but people just need to visit your homepage so that they can see what your business is about, probably see product that they are interested in and then buy. But run our business, our e-commerce business, we are going to be using landing pages, sales pages to sell different products so that customers can go to a specific page to buy a specific product without distractions. All right, but this is really necessary also to have so that people can always visit your main website and see what you do. Great. Let's go ahead with the customization and see what we can do. So someone can actually come to this your website and then click on a product that they want to buy, and then see the product image, see the product details, the name of the product, the price of the product, see related products that are related to that particular product. Then they can also add to cart. If they want one pieces, they can select the quantity they want. They can even increase the quantity here. If they want 3 of these, they can add to cart. They can view their cart and actually make payments to you. This is amazing. So this is our website. Let's visit our website in a new browser. I'm just going to come here and refresh that our ugly website and see how it looks now. Very beautiful. So to customize this website, let's go back to our homepage. I'm just going to come back to my WordPress. So first I'm going to click on media to add all the images that I want to use. Then I'll come here, I click on media, then I'm going to see all the images in the website. Then I'm going to click on add new images, add new media. Then I'm going to click on select media here to select all the images I want to use. So I want to use this one. I just select all of them. Okay, that's fine. Then I'm going to click on open, and then all those images I selected will start uploading to my website. It may be fast or slow, just allow it to finish uploading. The next thing we need to do now, after uploading all the images we want to use for this particular product, then I'll go to my product. As you can see down here, we have all these products that are not our own, so we can just customize any of them to become our own. So let's choose one and customize it. I'll come here, come to products, I'll click on products, all products. Then you're going to see all the products that are on your website. Look at all of these products, look at all of them. All these products you see here are all on the website. Look at all these products, they are all these things you're seeing here. To add your own product, you can delete all of these products. You can simply delete all of these products or edit any of them. So I'm going to be editing this one. Let me edit. I'll just click on edit. You can change the name of the product. You can add the description. You can also add the price of the product. Then you can add the short description and also change the picture. So this is a product I want to sell. I'll just copy the name of this product. I'll come here, come back to my website, and I'm just going to paste it on the name of the product. So you can name your product so that when people search on Google, they will be able to find it. Then in the description, I'm also going to copy. This is the description of the product. I'm just going to copy the way it is here and then paste it in my description. Also in this price, I'm just going to put the price of this product. This, you can see the regular, maybe the regular price is $45 and you want to sell it for 25, for $30. So it's going to strike out this regular price and put this as in current price. Now you can see that these prices are in dollars. We are still going to change that to naira or to your own local currency in the WooCommerce setting. So just follow me. Don't worry, we'll do that later. Then here you can come down to the short description and copy this short description here, key features of the product, and then copy it and paste it in the short description. Next, we want to change the picture because this is not our picture. I'm just going to click on remove product picture image. Then product image, I'm going to add set product image. We already have our product downloaded. I'm going to click here to download a new product. I'm going to set product image. This is now the product image. Then we want to add 3 different colors of this product so that people can swipe and see different color. I'm just going to come to product gallery. I'm going to add this here. So I'm going to select this one. I'm also going to select the gold color and also select the black color. So I'm going to add 3 of them. Okay, I've added the black. I'll go again. I'll select the silver. I'll add the silver. I'll go again. I'll select the gold, and then I'll add the gold. So in this product description, maybe I don't just want to have text alone. I'll just, after the key function, I want to have an image here. So I'll just come here and then I click on add media. It's going to bring me here. I can add an image. I'll add this image. It comes into that place. So we'll have the image here. Maybe down here again, after the description, I just want to add another image here. Then I'm going to click on add media. Then I can bring in new image, upload file. I'll come here. Then I'm going to go to my download. These 3 files, I want to upload them. Then I'll come open. Those 3 files are uploaded. So I'll choose this one. I want to use this one. Then I'm going to insert image. So as you can see, that image has been inserted here, the 3 of them. Then maybe I don't want to have this one. I can remove this. I can remove this one also. Finally, at the bottom, I also want to add the functions, and it's in image form. I'm going to just add this, click on enter, and that has also been added. So I think one of the images are missing. I'll add them again. I'll add this one. I want this one there, then this is going to be there. So great, we have everything set up the way we want it. Everything is okay. So to publish this particular thing that we've done, I'll just click on update. When I click on update, this has been updated to our website, as you can see. So when we go back to our website and we'll refresh it, when you scroll down, you're going to see that product here as it is on sale. So when I click on the product to buy, I'm going to see that the price 45 is cancelled out and 30 is the active price. Then I'm going to see the short descriptions of that product. I can even change, see the picture of the product. I can even change to see another image, the black color. I see the red, the silver color, then the gold color. This is amazing, guys. And I can come to the short description. I can see the description of that product. I can come down here. I can see different descriptions of the products, and then I can see related products, which we are going to change all of these things to a product that we sell in our store, right? I can decide to buy. If I want to buy, I can change this one, send it up. Then I can also add to cart. When I add this product to cart, it's going to be added to my cart. I can view my cart, then I can check out. So, but right now, you can see I want to buy these two products. I can even remove this one if I don't want to buy this one anymore. Then I just want to buy this one. It is going to calculate the total amount that I'm supposed to pay. Then I'm going to proceed to checkout if I want to. But that's not what I want. I'll come back to our home page. So to change all these other products, you can do the same thing that we've done for this one. Just go ahead and change it to different products in your store. So if I have another kind of product, I'll put it here. If I have another product, I'll put it here. So this is amazing. So now we are going to do the same thing for the other products. So you can come here. So you can come here to all product again. Let's go back to all products. So when we come back to our product page, you can see all the products we have in our page. So if I don't want to if I want to edit a product here and I want to add a new product on myself, I'm just going to click on add new products here. Then it's going to bring me to this page where I can add a new product. I'm going to put the product name here just like we did on the other one. I'm going to put the product description here. I'm going to just put the price of the product here. If I want to put a compare price, I'll put compare the regular price and the current promo price. Then I'm going to put a short description here and then come to images. I'm going to upload the product image here. Then if I want to add a gallery image, maybe variation of different colors, I'm going to add them here. Then if that product is in any particular category, I'm going to choose the category here as well. Then if I want some tag that people can search and find my product on Google, then I'm going to put those tags here and all that. So after doing that, I'm just going to click on publish and it's going to be exactly the same thing as this one. So I'm going to change all of these products through this method that we've used. I'm just going to do the same thing and then we're going to have our products all over the website. To add any of the products to your featured products, all you need to do is just to come here and turn on this star here. As you can see, when you turn it off, it's no longer a featured product, but when you turn it on, it is a featured product. This is no longer a featured product. I can just turn it on and it becomes a featured product. Great. So guys, in the next video, we are going to be setting up our payment page because right now, even if you go to your cart, you cannot make payments on this website because we don't have any payment gateway integrated. And you can also see that the currency is in dollars right now and you need to change it to your own local currency, right? And when you come back to our homepage, you're going to see that this website is not fully customized to our own homepage. All right, see, we have this. We need to change all of these things to our own and make it our own website. This is amazing. It's okay. Now you can also add some testimonials here. You can also add some featured brand. If there are other brand that you've worked with, you can add them here and customize all of this to yours, and I'm going to be showing you how to do all of that. So if you go to all products, you're going to see all the products in our store and you can actually select from any of these products that we have here. This is wonderful. So you can go ahead and customize just the same way we've done it. Change all of these products to your own products. If you have different products that you sell, but you don't have a lot of products, you can just leave it at the ones you have and delete the rest of the products from this product page. To delete a product, you simply just come here and click on trash and it's going to be trashed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.